Welcome back to the Mach E Connection. Today we're going to install a 15-inch rear window wiper. So before we can install the new wiper, we need to remove the old one. To do that, we're going to grab the arm here and grab the wiper here. We're going to pull that direction. You should feel a click. Go. And that it should pop right out. Just like that. So you can see how it's connected right there. Okay. And that's out. Let's get our new wiper. So now with our new wiper, we're going to remove this protective cover. If we compare the connectors, you can see this one here. You can see how I had to pull it down, pull it out, and then down. This one here, it's much different. It's just going to clip straight in. Let's go in here. You should be able to feel the connector. It should just pop right on in. There we go. So now it is installed. And you can see definitely the size difference right here. One thing about this wiper right here is it covers more of my dash cams. My rear dash cams actually get a better view now. So we're back here again. You can definitely see the extra coverage you're getting with the new wiper and old wiper. So for 15 bucks, it's a pretty simple mod. Definitely gives you a couple more inches on your wiper. And I definitely think it's worth going for. So with that, I'll catch y'all later. Bye.